Wrong ones. Alright, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account and here have this. Have this email. The meeting at 3 p.m. Okay? Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use the best alternative to ChatGPT completely free. This is Grok. Grok you can use in make.com completely free. Okay? This is the platform. If you visit its website, you can have here what's Grok. Grok is known for developing the language processing unit, a specialized AI accelerator chip designed to improve the speed and efficiencies of AI inference. This means that you can use as a chatbot and you can have different options completely free. Grok focuses on providing high performance AI inference solutions and aims to make interacting with AI more natural and human. This in its website you can have more information about Grok. You can have different types of topics here. If you have more details about Grok, you can visit its website and here you can find a lot of information about it. Okay? You wanna create account and if you wanna use in make.com here, only create your account. It takes only a few seconds and then when you got it, go here. Okay? I'm gonna log in with my account. I'm gonna select continue and perfect. When you got it, you will create your API account. Click here and copy this API account and let's jump into make the account. And once you're here, you just need to go here, add a new account, paste this API account and click save. Okay? And this way you're able to create different automations here in make the account completely free. For the example, then you want to select your account. Okay? Well, and then you're able to create from scratch everything, creating different workflows for you. Okay? Just only look for Grok and in this part create a chat completion. Select your model. Here you will find different options. You can use all these models. Okay? I'm gonna select, for example, this this model. I'm gonna write a message. First system. I'm gonna create an example here. Okay? I'm gonna create a content. And the user. And here, I'm gonna write something like two about three. Okay, this is a short example that I can use here. Click save, and that's all. And then I'm gonna click here, click run once, and then you have it. And I have this. This is the result. Okay, perfect. Well, and then you can create your automations. You can have, for example, Google Sheets. Okay, connect your Google Sheet account, connect with your spreadsheet, and automate it. Or maybe here you can post on Facebook, you can post on YouTube. Connect your account and automate it. You will find different videos in the channel how to automate your social media platforms. Okay, well, you can use different prompts here. You have select different models. Okay, okay. You only need to create your chat completion, and here select your model. Type an message here. I'm gonna create example here for system. A new item here. User. Here. Email. At 3 p.m. Click save. When I save this, okay, and send by email. Create your account. Add your account here. I'm gonna type my own email. The subject, the meeting, the content will be the result of the previous module from Groq. Here, click save. Okay, I'm gonna click run once. Alright, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account. And here, have this. Have this email. The meeting at 3 p.m. Okay, well, you have here different tools. bunch of tools that you can use here. Okay, and remember, Grok is completely free. This way, you create and complete different automations here. Okay, well, I think that's all for this video. If you're able to use ChatGPT and create your automations. But if you don't want to pay for this AI, you can use Grok. It's completely free. I showed you how you can create your account in few seconds and automate your workflows in Make the Account. Okay? If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.